everything is working all right. I'm connected to 2.5 gigabit, as you can see here. I already tested that I can't really achieve a 2.5 gigabit. I'm able to reach like 1.6, which is a bit disappointing. But this issue is on a whole nother level, since as I will demonstrate to you now, I can just plug in a device on my laptop and the link will go down. So I will take my cell phone here. So as you can see, I'm still pinging here, right? And now I will plug in a USB-C device just ever so slightly, and as you can see, I'm not even in yet, but it's dropping ping. Now if I remove this, the ping is back. So again, I'm dropping. So I remove it now. The same happens if I connect my display. So here it is, my HDMI display. I will plug it in and here it's dropping packets. Remove it and here it goes again. So this must be a problem, a grounding problem or some sort. As you can see, you can even see some sparks there. So don't really know what to say. I don't know if my unit is defective or just they all are made the same. I am not even sure if this problem is Anker or a Realtek problem or Apple one. But yeah,